In this video, we're going to be learning how to draw contour lines in AutoCAD. Now, before you begin drawing, you should make sure that you have a layer for your contour lines. That can be done up here in the Layer Manager. Also, you should be sure that you have the proper line type set up. Now, if you want to draw these as a solid line and then change the line type later with the Layer Manager, that will be fine. The line type should be long dashes. Before you draw your contour lines, you should have a grid like I do here with points or intersections labeled. Okay? You will work with the points that have the same number and connect them. This may involve some estimating at times. For example, here, you'll see that the number 5 is here, but is not in the next line, but is estimated to be about here. Okay, so that's where you're going to place it. Now to draw the contour line, you're going to use the polyline command. Okay, you're going to use the points, choose the points that have the same value like 5. So I'm going to choose, and you might have to turn your snaps on and off down here. Polyline. After you finish, you'll have to hit escape to exit the command. You'll have to select it. You're going to right click, go to polyline, and then go to curve fit, and you'll see it'll make the line nice and smooth. When you finish a series of contour lines, you'll have a nice drawing of contour lines. Okay, I'll do a couple more for you so you can see it. I'll do 10. I'll turn my snaps off. Turn my snaps back on. And 10 is going to end up being over here. I'll do a 15 also for you. There you go.